Hello guys, do you know you can watch Netflix for free without paying anything? And yes, it's legal. You watch it for free without paying a single dime. Let's just get straight to it. So first of all, I opened my Netflix app, thinking I was coming to watch a movie, went into it, and then this came up. Your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. So I sat down thinking of how to go about this, how to watch it for free without paying anything. And then something came up. So just go back and then you can check it again. It's still there. Go back, switch on your airplane mode, and then you have to wait till like 30 seconds. So let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, let's just get into it. So then open your Netflix app again. Just wait for it to load a little bit. Wait for it to load. Keep on waiting. Yes. And now switch off your airplane mode. Switch off your Wi-Fi. And then let's wait for it to connect. So after it's done connecting, all you have to do is just try and watch whether it worked. So let's just try any movie. Just try this one. Let's see whether it works. Let me click on play. It's still loading. And yes, it works. You can watch it for free without paying anything. But then you should keep in mind that so far as you are here, you don't get to go back. So let's assume I go back, clear this, and then come back to my Netflix again. Let's try again. I'll still see the same thing. So you have to keep it there till you keep on watching. I mean, you're done watching. You don't get to go back, but then be there till you're done watching. And if it comes again, you go through the same process. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click on the share button, and stay tuned for our next video because I have a surprise for you. Thank you for watching.